Here's a 2017 Genesis G90. Enjoy the luxurious combination of contemporary classic design, healthful technology, and superior comfort. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Memory exterior door mirror settings. Hands-free liftgate. V8 engine. Adaptive suspension. Streaming audio. Front and rear memory seats. Automatic with driver control suspension management. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. And automatic transmission. Look at luxury from a fresh perspective. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.